Today, we are going to read Coyote Finishes His Work, and in preparation for doing so, you need a little bit of background information. So Coyote Finishes His Work is retold by Barry Lopez. But what it really is, it is a Native American folktale that has been passed down through the oral tradition, meaning it's been told by parents and grandparents to children and grandchildren over and over and over again. And that is how the story has come to us. And this is retold by Barry Lopez. So our focus on this particular story is going to be the archetypes. And so an archetype is a pattern that appears across cultures and is repeated through the ages. An archetype can be a character, a plot, or an image. The trickster is one important archetype in Native American storytelling. Tricksters are characters who play tricks on others. They can be masters at lying, and they often rebel against authority. Sometimes the trickster is also creative and even helpful to a group of people. In this Native American story, the trickster is a coyote. Tricksters in other Native American stories include a fox, a badger, a raven, and a rabbit. And while we read, we're going to pay attention to understanding cultural characteristics. Literature written in a time period or culture different from your own helps you learn what it is like to live in that time and place. Coyote Finishes His Work contains several important details about the Native American way of life. These details can help you understand Nez Perce religion, customs, views on nature, and beliefs. Until recently, American Indian literature was not written down, but spoken orally. As you read, try to imagine this story being told out loud by a skilled storyteller. We have two words that I'd like you to pay attention to with the vocabulary. One is inhabited, meaning lived in, and the other one is revive, which means bring back to life. So, a little more background here into the myth. The Nez Perce are a group of Native Americans who live in the northwest region of the United States. Coyote Finishes His Work as a Nez Perce myth. Myths are stories that help explain how the world came to exist and people's place in it. Myths also help explain people's traditions and are often connected to religion. In this myth, Coyote is a spirit in the form of an animal who can do supernatural or extraordinary things. In fact, he created the Nez Perce. However, Coyote answers to the old man above, or God.